Let me show you how to make this soft and fluffy air fryer yogurt cake. This was actually my grandma's old recipe, the same simple cake I remember her baking in the oven when I was growing up. I tried making it in the air fryer and it turned out so beautifully that I honestly couldn't believe how well it worked. To make this yogurt cake in the air fryer, start by cracking 3 large eggs into a mixing bowl, making sure no bits of shell fall in as you go. I will leave the full list of ingredients at the end of the video, and you can find the full recipe in the video description also. Then add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, which is 160 grams, and beat the eggs and sugar with an electric mixer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep mixing until the color turns much paler and the mixture looks thick, fluffy, and full of air, as you see in the video here. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the egg mixture. Then, add the finely grated zest of 1 orange. Then, add half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, which is 125 grams, and mix again on slow speed until the yogurt is fully blended in and the batter looks smooth. Next, add half a cup of mild olive oil, which is 125 milliliters, to the yogurt mixture. Then, mix on a low speed until the oil is fully blended in and the batter looks smooth again. Next, take a sieve and add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, which is 210 grams, along with 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then, sift the flour and baking powder into the bowl. Next, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and gently fold the dry ingredients into the batter with a spatula until you no longer see any dry flour. I also like to give it a really quick mix with the electric mixer on the lowest speed, just for a few seconds, to make sure the batter is nice and smooth. Next, take a 7 or 8-inch round cake pan, whatever fits in your air fryer basket, and lightly brush the bottom with a little butter or oil, making sure you cover the whole base so the parchment paper has something to stick to. Then, place a round piece of parchment paper on the bottom and press it down gently so it sits nice and flat. I also like to put a long strip of parchment paper around the inside of the pan, because this soft cake can be a little delicate when you take it out. Press the parchment lightly against the sides so it stays in place and sits neatly all the way around the pan. Next, pour the cake batter into the prepared pan and use a spatula to scrape around the bowl so you get all that lovely batter into the pan instead of leaving a good spoonful stuck to the sides. Then, gently smooth the top so the batter sits nice and level in the pan. Give the pan a couple of light taps on the counter to help get rid of any bigger air bubbles hiding inside the batter. Carefully place the pan into your air fryer basket, making sure it sits nice and flat before you start cooking. Bake the yogurt cake at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, but start checking it near the end since air fryers can cook a little differently. Look how beautiful this yogurt cake came out. The top is lovely and golden with a few little cracks on the top, and honestly, that is exactly how I like a homemade cake to look. Once you cut into it, the middle is so soft and fluffy with that tender crumb that makes you want to go back for another slice before the first one is even gone. I also love that it still feels like the same simple homemade cake I remember from the oven. Only now, the air fryer does such a brilliant job with it that I hardly miss turning the oven on. If you like baking in your air fryer, then you should definitely try this air fryer Greek yogurt cake also. It is light, creamy, made with just 3 simple ingredients, and has no flour or added sugar. It is also higher in protein and makes such an easy, healthy air fryer dessert.